we are going to see the structure of Golgi body. Structure of Golgi body. Okay, we know the structure of a cell. Structure of a cell, and at the center would be nucleus. At the center it is nucleus, and the Golgi body will lie. Golgi body will lie near to the nuclear membrane and centriole. Near the nuclear membrane and centriole, it lies near the nuclear membrane and centriole. Near the nuclear membrane and centriole. These are centrioles, and this is nuclear membrane, and this is nucleus. Okay. Now the Golgi body is present near the nucleus and near the centriole. Okay, and the cisterna is having a swollen end at the end of its tube-like structure. At the end of the tube-like structure, we have the swollen structure known as cisterna. Swollen structure is known as cisterna. Swollen part of the cisterna is known as, swollen part of the tube-like structure is known as cisterna. Cisterna. If it is more than one, we call it as cisterna. And okay, we have two sides of the Golgi body. This side we call it as convex, and this side we call it as concave. This side we call it as concave. This side convex. Convex and concave. Okay. Please do remember concave region of the Golgi body is towards the plasma membrane. Towards the plasma membrane. Towards the plasma membrane, and convex region of the Golgi body is towards the nuclear membrane. Towards nuclear membrane. Towards nuclear membrane. In the first video, I told you that endoplasmic reticulum will arise from nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum will arise from nuclear membrane. So this is, for example, nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum will start by evagination. Endoplasmic reticulum will arise by evagination. Evagination means what? The protrusion that comes out from the nuclear membrane and starts forming endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. So near the endoplasmic reticulum, okay, we find what? Vesicles. We find vesicles. So these vesicles, they came from, or they would come from Golgi body. They would come from Golgi body. So vesicles are found, okay, towards the convex region of Golgi body, and vacuoles are found towards the concave region of Golgi body. And vacuoles are large in size. In the previous video I told you vacuoles are large in size and vesicles are smaller in size, and they too are spherical in shape. So vesicles are formed from Golgi body. Okay, and they carry what? They carry protein. They carry protein. If it comes from rough endoplasmic reticulum, okay, they carry protein. If they carry lipid, they come from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, now this is the structure of Golgi body or Golgi body. So see here, towards the convex region, towards convex we find smaller structures or smaller spherical structure called vesicles. Towards concave we find larger structures known as larger spherical structures known as vacuoles. These are vacuoles and these are vesicles. Okay, vesicles. Now the vesicles that are formed from endoplasmic reticulum will come here in the Golgi body, and this, if the vesicles are carrying protein, the substance protein, means they would have come from rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, the protein now enters into the Golgi body and reaches to the cisternal vacuole, and this cisternal vacuole now becomes larger in size due to the presence of protein and gets pinched off and form what? Vacuoles. In these vacuoles we find lysozyme, hydrolytic enzyme. It is hydrolytic enzyme. Lysozyme is hydrolytic enzyme. So this concave part can be also called as transphase. This convex part can be also called as cisphase, or again this part can be called as formative phase, and this part can be called as maturation phase. Okay, maturation phase. Why? Because the protein that is carried by the Golgi body will get pinched off and form what? Vacuole. That's why we call it as maturation phase. That means they got matured. Okay, they got matured. And size. If we talk about the size of Golgi body, size size varies based on the functions. Size varies based on the function. So if it is found in the cells of secretory cells, that means liver, cells, they are known as secretory cells. Pancreatic cells, they are known as secretory cells. So we will find the Golgi body in liver cell and pancreatic cells bigger in size. We find them bigger in size. Okay. If it is Majel cell, Majel cells, they do not have secretory function, so we will find smaller in size. Okay, in Majels, smaller in size, because Majels, they do not have any secretory function. But in liver cells and pancreatic cell, we will find the Golgi body as bigger in size, because they perform secretory function. Okay, so based on the function, they are bigger in size and smaller in size. And number, okay, number. Okay, number of Golgi bodies in cells of animal. In cells of animal, we will find 1. Okay, and in plants, we will find 6 to 12 Golgi bodies. And smaller or lower organisms like algae, we will find 1 Golgi body. And the plants like chara, okay, or rhizoidal plant cells like chara, we will find few hundreds of Golgi body. Okay, now shape based on the shape of the Golgi body. Shape of the Golgi body will change according to their function. So we will call it as pleomorphic organelle. Okay, so Golgi body is also known as pleomorphic organelle because it changes based on the function. So their shape is not having a definite shape, they may vary based on the function. That's why it is pleomorphic organelle. And their position, if we see here, their position is near to the centriole, okay, and closer to nuclear membrane. So position near to the centriole, and closer to nuclear membrane. And their function is what I told you. Okay, they have vesicles in the convex side. So they carry what? If it is coming from rough endoplasmic reticulum, they carry protein. If it is coming from smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they carry lipid. And okay, the carried protein or lipid will get what? Modified in the Golgi body, and finally there is into the large part of the cisternae, that is cisternal vacuole, and they get what? Modified. modified, and finally pinched off end. Okay, pinched off and from what? Large vacuole, and these vacuoles will have what? Lysozyme. It is hydrolytic enzyme. Okay. So this is all about Golgi body. Okay, all about Golgi body. In next class we will discuss the next organelles. Thank you.